At 22 years old, no experience, no equipment, no savings, this person built a YouTube channel, making $3,000 per month. They never showed their face once. Every video was made with free AI tools. Stories like this get dismissed as luck or exaggeration. So let me be specific about what this person actually did. They started in January with 0 subscribers. By month 3, 1,200 subscribers and AdSense approved. By month 6, 8,000 subscribers and $800 per month. By month 12, 31,000 subscribers and $3,000 per month. 3 income streams. AdSense from long videos, $1,200 per month. Affiliate commissions from tool links, $900 per month. Sponsored mentions from AI brands, $900 per month. No face, no microphone, no camera, no paid tools. Today, I am breaking down every decision they made. The niche, the tools, the posting schedule, the monetization strategy. Let's go through it. The niche decision. The most important decision in Faceless YouTube, choosing your niche. This person spent 1 week researching before posting anything. They used Claude to analyze niches. Here is the prompt they used. Compare these YouTube niches for a faceless channel focused on making money. AI tools, personal finance, productivity, and crypto. For each, analyze competition level, average CPM, and difficulty for beginners. Give me a clear recommendation. Claude's recommendation. AI tools combined with personal finance. Reasons. High CPM. Finance advertisers pay $15 to $50 per 1,000 views. Growing fast. AI interest is exploding globally. Evergreen content. Videos stay relevant for years. Low competition compared to pure finance channels. Beginner-friendly. No expert knowledge required. They followed the recommendation exactly. Their channel covered AI tools that help with money, saving, earning, investing, budgeting. All through an AI lens. That combination was the foundation of everything. Your action step. If you have not chosen your niche yet, use that exact Claude prompt right now. The content system. Once the niche was decided, they built a content system, not a content calendar. A system. The difference? A calendar tells you what to post. A system tells you how to produce it efficiently every single week. Their system had 5 steps. Step 1. Monday. Research and scripting. Open Claude. Ask for 10 video ideas in the niche. Pick the best one based on search potential. Ask Claude to write the full script. Time, 90 minutes. Step 2. Tuesday. Voiceover and footage. Paste script into 11 labs section by section. Download all audio files. Find matching footage on Pexels for each section. Time, 60 minutes. Step 3, Wednesday, editing. Import everything into CapCut. Sync voiceover with footage. Add auto captions. Add background music. Add text overlays for key points. Time, 90 minutes. Step 4, Thursday, thumbnail and upload. Make thumbnail in Canva using their template. Write description using Claude. Upload video with timestamps and affiliate links. Time, 45 minutes. Step 5, Friday to Sunday. 3 shorts. Cut 3 60-second clips from the long video. Add bold captions in CapCut. Upload each one. Time, 60 minutes total. Total weekly time, 6 to 7 hours. Total weekly output. 1 long video and 3 shorts. Total tools cost, $0. That system ran every single week for 12 months without fail. Consistency was their competitive advantage, not talent, not luck. Consistency, The monetization timeline. Month 1, zero income, building foundation. They did not check analytics obsessively. They focused entirely on improving hooks and thumbnails. Month 2, first affiliate commission. $43. Small, but proof the system worked. They added more affiliate links to old videos. Month 3, YouTube Partner Program approved. 1,200 subscribers. 4,300 watch hours. First AdSense payment, $67. Combined month 3 income, $110. Month 4, doubled output temporarily. 2 long videos per week instead of 1. Subscriber growth accelerated significantly. Month 4 income, $280. Month 5. First brand reached out for a sponsorship. An AI tool company offered $300 for a 30-second mention. They negotiated to $450. Got it. Month 5 income, $620. Month 6, settled back to 1 video per week. But channel had momentum now. Old videos were generating consistent views daily. Month 6 income, $800. Month 7 to 12, slow, steady compounding. More old videos ranking. More affiliate clicks daily. More brands interested as subscriber count grew. Month 12, $3,000. The income did not grow linearly. Months 1 through 4 were frustratingly slow. Month 5 onwards felt like a different channel entirely. This is the pattern almost every successful channel follows. Slow start, invisible growth, then sudden acceleration. The people who quit in month 3 never see month 5. The mistakes they made. Mistake 1. Inconsistent thumbnail style in month 1. Every thumbnail looked different. Different fonts, different colors. Viewers could not recognize the channel at a glance. Fix. They created one Canva template and used it for every video. Same font, same colors, same layout. Only the text changed. Channel recognition improved within 2 weeks. Mistake 2. Ignoring the first 3 seconds. Early videos had weak hooks. Viewers left in the first 10 seconds. Average view duration was only 30%. Fix C. They spent more time on hooks than any other part of the script. They used Claude specifically for hook writing. Prompt. Write 10 different hooks for this video topic. Each hook should create curiosity or promise a specific benefit in under 15 words. They tested different hooks and tracked which kept viewers longer. Average view duration improved to 55%. Mistake 3. Not adding affiliate links until month 2. They thought they needed more subscribers first. Wrong. Add links from day 1. Even 1 subscriber clicking and buying earns you money. Mistake 4. Making videos about topics they found interesting rather than topics people were searching for. Fix. They used YouTube search suggestions and Claude to validate every topic before scripting. Prompt. Is topic something people actively search for on YouTube? What related keywords should I include in the title and description? Only make videos people are already looking for. 122-year-old. Free tools. 6 hours per week. $3,000 per month after 12 months. Pick a high CPM niche using Claude's research. Build a repeatable content system and never break it. Monetize from day 1 with affiliate links. Fix mistakes fast using analytics data. Never quit before month 5. Everything they used is free and linked below. Subscribe for latest videos.